Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hi guys, have a nice day. It's me, Sylvia. Let me present you this special video. The perfect heroine wants to possess me. Let's call this chapter Let's Dance With Me Tonight. Thank you, Mr. Lee, for your trust. Regarding to the points of you mentioned, our company will formulate a plan as soon as possible. Oh, no need to be in such a hurry. Mr. Lee seems to be not a good person. Right now, she's caressing Wei Xing Yu. Well, this is bad. I was just about to invite Miss Wei to sit at my manor after the dinner. I have a lot of good wine in my wine cellar and we can talk about the plan over the drink. Wei Xing Yu said, Mr. Lee, please. Right now, Wei Xing Yu, she retreated back. Of course, it really feels disgusting. At this moment, this man, suddenly surprised, Jishao suddenly popped off. I didn't expect Mr. Lee to be a person who understands wine. Jishao said to him, right now. She hugged Wei Xingyu. She moved closer to her. So, can you help me taste it? How does the special drink taste? Oh, it's like Xiao, she really want to tease Mr. Lee. Turned out to be Miss G. Oops, I can even understand. It's just that a little bit. Well, Mr. G seems to be surprised, looking at him. Suddenly, a wine's going towards him. Well, could it be that Xiao is the one throwing a wine over him? Well, it was right. It was Xiao right now. Mr. Lee, don't be humble. I just help you, right? Oh, this is bad. Right now, Mr. Lee, he was really coughing and said to her, oh no. Well, at least this man, he know how to learn to keep himself shut, especially Chisao. How it is? How is Mr. Lee's experience? Chisao, she was really brave. Right now, Mr. Lee, he was still sitting on the floor and really coughing hard. Well, of course, throw on his face. That's why a poor man, he was still sitting on the floor. He was really coughing. And right now, really caught the attentions of everyone. Seeing him like that. Of course, he is really important person. Jishao, she really tricked him. Jishao, Mr. Lee are very important partners. Could it be that it was too rude? Well, right now, Jishao, she was really confident on herself. Said the Wei Xingyu, don't worry, it's not too much. Oh, if this is not too much, it was really funny, right? Cap invited him to drink, but Ben's special tune, Mix is great. Drink a cup, let him broken. Tomorrow, he will really forget it. Xingyu moved closer to her, sip on a wine. Hey, Alpha, when did you become so cunning? Well, Wei Xingyu is right. Zhishao, she becomes suddenly cunning. Hey, who made my Omega the most dazzling in the world? Well, Zhishao, right now, she was really freezing how beautiful is Wei Xingyu at this party. Especially, looking at her, she was really grinning. I said to her, naturally, I have to be more careful. Oh, that's mean that she was really attracted on Wei Xingyu, especially this night. Wei Xingyu said, Jishao, I'm a little bit drunk. I want to go to the balcony so we can breathe. Jishao suddenly stopped her from talking. Alas, well, I will take you to the balcony to have a fresh air. Jishao, she can do anything but just to follow Wei Xingyu's order. Of course, she will always follow Wei Xingyu. Right now, Wei Xingyu, she took her phone and suddenly taking a picture of Mr. Lee coughing on the floor. Until now, he was still standing up and he was still coughing on the floor. What is this for? Wei Xingyu said to her, just in case. Oh, she was really tricky. It's like she can really bluff Mr. Lee in the future if they really show these pictures to him. Turns out the moon is bright tonight. Well, it seems that the weather is nice. Two of them are resting on the balcony just to relax there, to take a breath in of the fresh air. Facing you and Jishao. She seems to be thinking something right now. Jishao, she moved closer to Wei Xingyu. Miss Xingyu, do you want to dance when you wake up? Well, right now, Jishao is asking her to dance. Wei Xingyu said to her, I want it. She put her hand openly and right now she grabbed Wei Xingyu's hand. Acting, the two of them is going to dance. Dance with me tonight, Jishao said to her. Looking at them, they really dance gracefully, especially for Wei Xingyu. She has some moves they really sink in. Two of them are really much for tonight. Her hand is so soft, Wei Xingyu. Get praised by Jishao again. It's only the hands. Wei Xingyu said to Jishao. Right now, Jishao suddenly released her hands and said to her, the rest of my body. Oh, Wei Xingyu, she become tricky, especially right now. It seems that she was not really in herself, cause she can say this. The real thing, she is more conservative one. Can get into your eyes. Jishao said to her. Jishao moved closer to her, hug hers on the back. Wei Xingyu was looking at her. Wei Xingyu, you know. Jishao moved closer, said to her, I am in front of you. There has always been no self-control. Oh, this is great. Jishao hands are really moving in. Wei Xingyu, Jishao, we can do it here. Wei Xingyu, she got really feel strange when Jishao is always closer to her. Especially right now, Jishao is teasing her. We can do it here, okay? Jishao said to her. Suddenly, Jishao, she became aggressive. She moved closer and kissed her, and it left Wei Xingyu to feel entranced. Out of breath. Now, she really wanting it. Here and now, Wei Xingyu said to Jishao. Jishao, she continued. What is she doing? Wei Xingyu seems to feel uncomfortable, a little bit shaking. Jishao is holding her hands. Finally, since she doesn't feel good, she really grabbed tightly. Wei Xingyu's dress to move closer to her. Well, the night is really getting dark. Still, the two of them on the balcony. Wei Xingyu, I think so. Jishao said to her. Right now, Jishao. Then, Wei Xingyu said to Jishao, hey guys, this is a special chapter. This is only exclusive for my YouTube members. Thank you for supporting me. I will try to upload another chapter, more or less half a month of July. Thank you. Bye.